Okay, folks, thanks for being patient. We're still working on our other videos. They should be coming out in the next week and a half. So thank you for being patient. Today, I wanted to go over Harbor Capital. You'll hear me talk about Harbor Capital in a lot of our videos because we try to beat out Harbor Capital every year. So let's look at Harbor Capital for the last 5 days. You see it got up to a high of 76 bucks. And currently is at 74.87. So it did have almost a 2% loss so far this week. So those who follow along, we avoided about a 2% drop in our portfolios this week by staying in 100%, putting them stable value. Let's see how the longer term performance of Harbor Capital does. Let's look at let's go 5 years out. Okay, so you see, starting 2015, it was about 60 bucks. 2017, it starts off at about 57 bucks. It gets to a high of about, we'll call it 80 bucks to round up. 2018, it got to a high of like 81 bucks. And then the start of 2019, it gets down to about 61 bucks. And currently we're at 76 bucks. So knowing that Harbor Capital fluctuates up and down like that, that's how we can take advantage of beating it. That's how we beat it 2 out of the last 3 years, 3 out of the last 5 years. We should be able to beat it 5 out of the next 7 years by knowing this information. So anyone who wants to follow along daily on our daily moves, that will be available later on in the series. But for now, just watch, see what we do. Realize that our strategy is controlling our losses. That's how we'll get ahead. Controlling losses is going to be very important coming up in the next few years. So we do the same thing every day. We try to control our losses. We look for opportunities to let the market borrow our money so that we can gain. Stay tuned for the next videos.